Water damage restoration in Westampton Township, New Jersey is more than just drying up puddles. Water can soak into your floors, walls, and furniture, causing long-term damage. Upholstery, carpets, and wood absorb water quickly, leading to mold, odors, and deterioration. Restoration specialists act fast to extract moisture and prevent further issues. Hidden water inside furniture and drywall creates the perfect environment for mold. We use advanced drying techniques to remove moisture deep within materials. Mold doesn't just grow on walls. It can take root in couches, rugs, and wooden surfaces. Our team eliminates moisture at the source to stop mold before it spreads. Sometimes, the damage is hidden beneath the surface. We use moisture detection tools to find water trapped inside furniture, drywall, and subfloors. Full restoration means more than just cleanup. It's about bringing your home or business back to life. We repair and rebuild what water has damaged. Call 609-669-2155 or visit restoration-specialist.com/areas-served/Burlington-NJ/Westampton-Township for expert water damage restoration in Westampton Township. Restoration specialists, saving your space, one restoration at a time.